Just a quick question here. You keep arguing this 3-to-1 mass ratio in Newton's cradle. And your argument is momentum is everything, and it always has to be conserved. You get the speeds wrong, obviously, but you know, a little bit of a deeper question here on your model. So say we have a 1 mass coming in at 15 meters per second, and it collides with the 3 mass. Why in your model doesn't the 1 mass stop completely and the 3 mass go off with 1/3 the velocity? You know that doesn't happen. Obviously it bounces back with some energy and momentum, but if we're just talking about momentum and conserving momentum, why doesn't your model would predict this? That doesn't happen. So why does it bounce back? That's what you've got to explain in your model, in your momentum is everything model, because that conserves momentum.